All right, so if you've been doing food service distribution long enough, you're gonna run into issues with the TK, and I want to just give you all little tips. And as you can see, on freezer you want to be under 10 degrees, and your cooler you want to be under 40. And so these TKs are normally set up in this start-stop mode, where when they reach 10 degrees, anything over 10, it automatically turns on. And then once it gets down to temp, they shut down, and they're constantly on and off. So occasionally the problem that you'll have with these is you'll run into bad battery switches. If we go hit our alarm, this is another thing you can also do, alarm, and you can clear your alarms. Sometimes, you know, this is like small stuff like your phones when you reset them, and this can get you through the day, and then they can get it looked at a mechanic shop. But in this situation, we're gonna see what's gonna do. This one, I already know for a fact that we're having battery problems, so we have the cables in the truck, and that's what I'm going to show you guys on this Cascadia, how to access the batteries and how to jumpstart this particular TK. But I'm going to show you guys what it's doing right now. And as you can see, my temps are good, which is important, and this can get us through the day, or it can buy us enough time to where a mechanic can come and replace it, and you're good. So yeah, as I showed you guys, the alarm, you want to clear that, and then this little button right here, when you click it, what it does is when you can set it on continuous mode, what continuous mode does, it prevents it from shutting on and off, which in the battery, that's what you want to do, right? You want to keep it in continuous mode, but in this particular case, what it does, it runs for maybe an hour and a half, and then it'll shut down, even on continuous. So I still have to jump start it. But let's see if I can get it to show you guys what it's doing. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you what you do to access your batteries. This goes down right here, and what you got is these clips right here, these pins that cover this cover. And as you can see, in this particular case, we have 4 batteries. Some semi trucks have even 8. So you just push down on this a little bit, on this little clip, and what it does, it helps you to where you can remove that. And this just lifts, and you can see there's our cable, and there's this other right here. So when you put it, so there, as you can tell, you heard my TK just kind of wanted to start, just made a clicking noise. So what we're gonna do, I'll go right back and show you guys on the batteries. But what we have here, this little door gives you access to, this is your starter, and your battery is tucked in back here. But what you can do is you also have another door on this side, which gives you access to the battery. And now that I see it, this is actually a brand new battery, guys. So this shows me that they already worked on this particular unit. So maybe what it is, it's gonna have a bad alternator. So we'll put that at the end of the day on our report, so they can look into it. But in the meantime, this is where I'm gonna jump like a normal car. Positive right here, negative right here. And I'm gonna jump start this unit, and I'll show you a video once we get it running. Yeah, let me show you guys here. I'm finished showing you guys here. The situation that we had here is that once you remove these clips, it gives you access to the batteries, and the way these are connected, they're all running together. Your negatives, all your positives are running together. So remember, guys, that when you jump start, you want to connect your positive first, and your last one that you want to connect is your negative, your ground. And the same goes for the TK. And in my particular case, when I hook up cables, I like to start with the battery with less power. So one, you're always trying to keep your cables from touching anything that might create a spark, but also when you have that battery, it has less current. And the last thing you want to do is connect here, create a spark. And then these new modern trucks, remember, everything's electronic, so they're more sensitive. So yeah, I think moving forward, the future of all this stuff is it's gonna be carrying those jump boxes, and not jump starting so much on your equipment, because I think that can create issues down the road, especially with the new modern stuff that's coming out. But yeah, I'll show you guys a clip of once we get this hooked up and running. All right, so sometimes in the food service industry, you have little issues like anything, right? This one particular starter, the TK, the battery went out, and well, we gotta get going instead of waiting on the mechanic. There's things we can do, and on this end, we're gonna use this factor here. We got 4 batteries. The positive are all tied together, and the negative on this side. So same deal as a car, but you only use 1 battery. So we're gonna use 1 positive and the negative on this side. And we're gonna come to the trailer. TK, very simple. How do you open this? You just plug this first, this one behind it. And what you do is just put the battery. So in the food service industry, it's important to keep your freezer temps under 10 and your cooler temperatures under 40 degrees for product safety. And as you can see, we are now at those temps. And we had a little setback on this trailer, like anything, right? These are diesel engines. They also run with batteries, and I wanted. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. This is a picture of a newer trailer that I had the other day. So it's not always bad days, guys. This is very rare when this occasion has happened, but it's good to be prepared when it does. And again, I think I've been doing this for almost 15 years, and like I said, I can count the times. There are very few when I've had this kind of problems.